Supposed to do Sweet Home Alabama to your own nephew? Seriously? I'm disappointed.
Ala. May kayo na. Ante, ala. Ante. Ala, may kayo na. Manglis. May kayo na. Bye-bye, tetan. Ayawan, pinggan tayo. Kurang pinggan tayo. Naka naman.
Yasuy!
Alam, may kayo na ubing. Umay kayo kadiyag tugawin ne. Awan na ni Kwan ni mga na panggibangir man eh. Ano? Umay na kaming tulod nga ro. Tapos nagsubli di pan ka no makininong. Mapeng. Oh, may kayon na.
Kayon. Mama,
Peng!
You're gonna look at it later. Someone's mama
Then you're
said
gonna be
no.
like you're so hungry again.
Andoks kami guys, barbecue. Yan.
Someone's mama said no.
Andoks.
Someone's mama said no. Someone's mama said no. Someone's mama said no. Someone's mama said no. Because her ex cheated on her. Yes. I don't know now. Like they broke up like when they were 8.
Hey, yo!
I know, right? They broke up when they were 8.
No, I'm not so young.
When you broke up with him when she was 8. And plus he was also yes,
I like this rice. More than mama's.
may stress na ito.
What's this? What's this? What's this?
Tig mo deta mesa na lang sa na-press ko deta.
This what?
Okay.
That's what?
Okay. Makaya na, di ba?
Yeah. What is it? Paper. Pork.
Di pa pati makasusulat kami ang namin.
Ha?
Susulat kami ang namin.
Ano na?
Dali ka duwa.
Oh.
Susulat kami tanak mo na.
Wala.
Kagadakan sa akin yung hamang naan.
Ano, Alex?
Okay.
Ha? Ubi nga kaya kay umay kayo ko lang kami eh. Kasi
Kaya may pinaman dito kami. Nya. Min. May kablang mag-binisito dito naman kami. Dito, binis na.
Baka kayang mon.
Ala.
Tita!
Kaya mag-binis kami.
Sutawag ng baka. Baka.
May kami kanina naman.
Hindi na.
Ay, tak sa kaya. Pag mo dito na pinapin.
Hindi na.
What's this?
Sino nag-drive dilugan yung tita?
What is this? Ah.
Sana ko lang daan.
Warot ka po, may magpapakastaan. Matitibig na term. Ay, yan. Nagkiling tita niya. Maybe your long red. Oh.
No, for me, I like it. That's why. I like that.
Melanie, man, you romanize like every single one of us in the family.
Is it? Is this?
Especially me.
That's
Because
what
I know her well. Melanie.
What is this? Is this gravy?
Something like that. Would you like to try it?
I try
Another side should go to the
I was not ready. I wait, it's ready. I think it's heavy.
Not exactly.
It tastes like ready.
Yeah.
Fine, it's fine.
Kunak mo hanggang na gawit mo.
It's like soup.
Yeah, super soft. Because it's sweet.
I'll put it on this. I just put my mouth on it. And you're still saying,
No problem. Ne, tapos yun.
Uy, alam, pagka-live pasta,
Should eat
ang
first.
makita.
I do both.
Yeah, we go ba?
Ah, really?
But you're tall. What do you mean? I'm short. Really?
Alam, mabit mo sa kita.
My friends are taller than me. Joanna and I are the same size.
How many kilograms?
I don't actually know.
Ayaan.
What? How much was my best friend's kilogram are?
Naku, doon talaga.
Sila sila, her friend. You're gonna come with us?
Iputong ni Ane.
Then what are you saying? You say no and no again.
It's good.
Yan na.
He just coming here weekdays.
Nariyanan pa
Yes,
yung mga
good.
nag-center sa
Hindi para kay ni Tita Pati maaamang Sika magpapali ko si Tita Pati. Hindi ko makita ang lagi puto lang.
Ganda maganda mo yung pakatuloy, banana.
Tuloy sa talaga nag-start ng kita. Pati ni Ariana.
Yan.
Ano ba nga si baby?
Baka tunog na ubiyahin na 18 lang sa dito pa dito sa amin ko.
Na-closeness daw namin kay ni Tita Pati Mansa. Hindi mamang daw hindi namin din ako ipagkita.
When dito ni Tita Sonia, hindi mabayin na sa kita. Huwag sa kaga kasi eh. Mabayin na kay mama na.
You only ask who's eating, treat, and do. You already ate that. Oh.
I'm so spicy. Your kuya there, we have sauce.
She doesn't like.
Kasakit tayo yung bed ko nga pa rin.
Ano naman mabait ka
Basta
lang.
kanin daw, original ng bed ko sa yung ikan. Kasi nanti like smooth. Pagpasikin ko nga. Namin si Ada, siguro na gusto. Sino ano yung parang 7 foot something dito.
Manilok kilo na niya si din may tita.
Oh, this. Hold on.
Don't have me, I'm scared. Such a good song. It's such good. Don't have me, I'm scared. What? What? I know red one. Like small page.
What's your name?
Ayun lang. Just go. Just. Okay, I'm not sure. It's not a kid's show. That's not a kid's show.
Yeah, it's not a kid's show. It looks like a kid's show, right? Look at this.
This vinegar is spicy.
That is unfinished, that's finished chicken, but bones.
Makulit.
Does anyone else want barbecue? Also want to cold water? Oh, that's nice water.
Yang aron si kami to may paradan. Hindi ka makaway.
Will you play that game?
Kailangan na, hintayin mo rin tayo.
Yes, sweet. Yes, sweet.
Kiss ka dahil Kian. Kaya yan da. Kian. Parada na po yung banda. Tayon. Alex.
Oh, when you came.
Alex.
Yeah?
You want to sleep there?
Yeah.
Parada.
No. It's too far.
Ang sarap na makaway natin mga Hindi tayo amin eh. Oh my tayo amin di dyan. Madakad mami. Taon-taon kami na.
Masing naman eh. Hindi ka naman gusto na lang akong tawanin. Tapos tawanin eh. Dapat namin ako dito na. Lalandayin na po yun. Open naman masis. Naman na.
Ba't makita mo ito sa itna?
What Drake do you mean? It's Kendrick.
Hungry.
No,
Alex! Alex!
Ingan, actress na.
I never said this.
Kian.
Yeah, where is he right now?
Tito Kian. Nag-isip dito.
Oh,
Ti, baliktad.
Ay, yung baliktad ko ng Kian, so na dapat
I think she wants my food.
Poso na.
What do I do?
oh.
She wants my food. What do I do?
Yasoy.
Yes, we get. Come here.
Ela. May katoyan Yasoy.
Yes, we.
She wants food. She wants food. She wants food.
Wait, move so I can get under the table.